Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone, unlock it, and note your iOS version. This matters because settings locations vary. Connect the accessory, and if you see a disabled prompt, go directly to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. You must enter your passcode. Toggle Allow USB accessories on. This permits devices when the phone has been locked longer than an hour. Once done, reconnect the accessory while unlocked to confirm the port is active and recognized. Next, you check the hardware chain and permission behavior. Use Apple-certified or MFI-labeled cables and adapters. Non-certified gear often fails handshakes. Make sure any external accessory has its own power if required, because low current prevents negotiation. If the iPhone still won't accept the accessory, unlock the phone and connect to a trusted computer. This establishes authorization. Also test alternate cables and ports to isolate a faulty lead. This helps you determine whether it's software or physical connection. Finish by doing the routine fixes. Restart both devices and reconnect while the iPhone is unlocked. That often clears transient blocks. Make sure iOS and any accessory firmware are current, updates fix handshake bugs, and back up before resets. If problems persist, reset network or all settings as a measured step. This won't erase media but restores defaults. Troubleshooting tip: toggle Allow USB accessories off then on. Unlock and plug in within 1 hour. If that fails, contact Apple for diagnostics or a Genius appointment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.